Sneeze.
Involuntary explosion of air through the nose and mouth. For example, Sarah sneezed during the meeting. John sneezed due to allergies. John sneezed due to allergies. Yawn. Yawn. Reflex of opening one's mouth wide due to tiredness or boredom. For example, Sarah yawned during the lecture. She yawned when she get up in the morning. She yawned when she get up in the morning. Fart. Fart. Release of gas from the digestive system through the rectum. Tom laughed at a friend's accidental fart. Children giggled at a pretend fart. Children giggled at a pretend fart. Gargle. Gargle. Rinsing or cleansing the throat or mouth with liquid, producing a bubbling sound. Jane gargled to soothe her throat. Singer gargled before performing. Singer gargled before performing. Snap finger. Snap finger. Producing a sound by quickly bringing thumb and middle finger together. Audience snapped fingers in appreciation. Students snapped fingers to keep rhythm. Students snapped fingers to keep rhythm. Blurp. Blurp. Sound made when someone quickly inhales air through the nose. Lisa blurped during her presentation. Lisa blurped during her presentation. Comedian incorporated blurps for laughter. Comedian incorporated blurps for laughter. Snif. Sniff. Sound made when someone quickly inhales air through the nose. Dog sniffed to detect a scent. Emily snifed due to allergies. Emily snifed due to allergies. Scream. Scream. Loud cry or sound expressing extreme fear, excitement, or pain. Crowd screamed on the roller coaster. Sarah screamed at the spider. Sarah screamed at the spider. If you wish to improve your English level, then subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thanks for watching.